Yeah, so me and it's our last session for this interview process, and thanks for your time for this all part. And so, if I ask you what is data warehouse, how do you define the data warehouse?
So data warehouse is a storage purpose we can use where the historical data we can maintain in the
How do you maintain history?
uh, we can use a slowly SCD, slowly changing dimension.
Okay.
With that we can maintain the historical data. In that we have three types: type 1 and type 2, 3.
Okay. So which maintains type history?
We can type 2 we can use mostly for history.
How do you maintain type 2? Means like what are the attributes required to maintain type 2?
So we have attributes like the source primary key should not be the
In the
primary key in the OLAP system, and there should be a column like surrogated key, and it is also acts like a primary key, and there should be a new column as a current flag, and there should be a new column as version. There should be a column as end date and start date.
So how do you convert this started end date in what is the terminology in the data warehouse?
The timestamp we can use.
Effective timestamp, and termination timestamp. Okay. So what is known as star schema?
Star schema. So if one fact table surrounded by the different dimensional tables, it is known as a fact table.
It is.
All the
It is known as. What is star schema?
One fact table surrounded by different dimensional table. It is known as a star schema.
Snowflake means?
Snowflake means it is also same like one fact table surrounded by different dimensional tables, and those dimensions are related to the real dimensions.
Master
dimensions. So
okay. So what is meant by dimension?
In dimensions we have only numerical values, which is helps to business development.
In dimension or fact? Dimension contains of text values. Fact. Yeah. So what is dimension?
Dimensions it consists the text values and also
useful to describe the business. Yeah. So what is the approach to construct a schema? How many ways, what are the approaches we have to construct a schema? We have that to construct a schema.
Two types we have: top to bottom approach and bottom to top approach.
What is meant by top to bottom?
Top to bottom means from higher level to lower level we can.
What is the higher level means?
Higher level means
first we are going to construct data warehouse. Next data mart. That is top to
bottom.
Bottom to top means?
First creating the data marts and then going to data warehouse.
What is data mart?
It is a subset of data warehouse.
And any other definition?
It is segregating departments within that we can segregate.
Subject oriented. Only department in sales information, only particular information will be there. That is data mart. Right. Next. Who are the others we have in for data warehouse?
From bottom to top, Rob Kimball, and top to bottom is WH Singh.
Right. And so, what are the different types of SCDs? What is meant by SCD first?
Slowly changing dimension.
Okay. So, what is meant by which maintains current data?
Type 1 we maintain current data.
Current plus historical means?
Yeah, it is a type 2.
So, type 3 maintains?
Current plus partial historical data.
So, if I want to ask you to define ETL, how do you define it?
Extraction, transformation, and row.
Can you tell me a few transformations? I mean, What are the transformations you can have?
Data aggregation, data cleansing, data scrubbing, and
Merging.
merging database.
Fine. And thanks Swami, thanks for your time. It's really good interaction we had. Yeah. Thank you very much for this session. Thank you.